In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate AI videos using Google Veo 3. This innovative tool unlocks creative possibilities, allowing you to transform simple text into compelling visuals effortlessly. Let's dive into this step-by-step process and explore each stage so that you can start crafting your own AI videos. First, you'll want to open Gemini. Gemini is your gateway to Google Veo 3's advanced AI video capabilities. If you're unfamiliar with it, Gemini is an intuitive platform designed to enhance your creative flow. It's essentially the command center where you'll orchestrate your AI video creation. With Gemini up and running, the next step is to switch to video mode. This is crucial because it sets the platform to understand that you're aiming to create a video rather than working with other forms of media. By selecting this mode, you're prepping the system to optimally handle the video generation tasks. Now comes the fun part, crafting a scene with your imagination. You'll want to type a prompt that clearly describes the scene you envision. This prompt should be detailed enough to give the AI a robust framework of what you're looking to produce. Think about the setting, the mood, and any elements you want to feature prominently. This is your opportunity to unleash your creativity, so paint a vivid picture with your words. Once your prompt is set, you have the option to add any extra details. These could include specific stylistic choices like the tone of the video, any particular visual themes, or even the pacing of the narrative. These additional details are handy if you have a specific vision in mind, or if there are certain elements you want to ensure are included or emphasized in the final product. With all your parameters set, it's time to submit your request and let the AI do its magic. The system will begin processing your input, transforming it into a video. This is a moment of anticipation as you wait for the AI to breathe life into your concept. Depending on the complexity and detail of your prompt, this can take anywhere from a few moments to several minutes. Once the video is generated, it's important to review the outcome carefully. This is your chance to see how closely the AI has captured your vision. You might find that some tweaks or refinements are necessary to align the video more closely with your expectations. Don't hesitate to adjust your input and resubmit if necessary. Iteration is part of the creative process. Finally, when you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to download or share the video. Whether you're showcasing your work on a social platform, incorporating it into a project, or just sharing it with friends, this is your moment to get your creation out into the world. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to generating AI videos using Google Veo 3. Happy creating and enjoy bringing your visions to life with this amazing technology.